Hi friends, welcome back to Top to Tip. Today I came with a fixing video of Epson L3150 printer. It's a light blinking issue because of the waste toner. Here we can see the two lights are blinking and let's check how to fix this one. For fixing this we need to get a good connection between the printer and the computer. So we will begin with the complete installation of this model printer. So just watch the video and fix the issue yourself. Here we go how to install the printer properly. For that, just go to Google Chrome and write the model of your printer, Epson L3150, and search for the driver. You can get the driver from Epson site. Once you go this site, just check. You can see there the universal Epson printer and the driver belongs to this particular model. So you should take the particular model's driver. Download the driver. It's getting downloading. Once it's ready, go to the location, just double click it. You will get the installation window, setup, just click OK. Don't connect the printer before you installing this one. You will get a particular area to connect the printer. That time only do the connection. Then you will get a good connection between the printer and the computer. Here you can see, you can check a USB connection, press OK. In this time only you connect the printer with the computer. You can see here with the USB we are now only connecting, and you can see the video here, the connection is detecting. Otherwise there is a chance to non-detecting issue. You can see now once we connected, the computer detected already the printer and it's assigned the port properly. Now the installation procedure is done. You can check and verify it in control panel, device and printers. Here you can see the new printer is installed, name Epson L3150. This is Windows 11, that's why it's showing like this. If you want to check it like the previous version, you can go to control panel again. I will just show you how to do that one. Just go to control panel again, and here right click and open with new window. So you can see as a like Windows 10. Just set this printer as default. Now we can go for the fixing of light blinking issue. For that we need a particular program. I will show you. Here you just need to note the port of the printer. Here you can see this one. This is necessary once you are using the fixing app. Before that, installing the quick fixing app, you should stop the protection. For that one, go to virus and treat option. In this virus and treat protection settings, off the real-time protection. Otherwise this app will not work. Then by using the link in the description, you can download the application for fixing the issue. Go to Chrome and paste it over there. Then you can get the software here. Just go down, you can see the installation link. It's over here. Just click the link. It will redirect to you the downloading driver. Just click the download. press download and it will get downloaded. For extracting this file you need the password. In the same website you can see the password also for extracting the file. Here is it. Just copy. The downloading is finished. We can just go to the location where we downloaded it. Just right click and extract it. Extract here. Here you're asking for the password. Just paste the password. Press OK. It will get extracted. Then open it. Here you can see the two files. Adjust program and the key generation file. Just do run as administrator. Then you have to activate this one. Copy the product key and go to the key generation. Just write the model or something there. And paste the key and generate the activation key. Copy that one. Go again to the application. Just paste it over here. Press OK. The adjustments program will open. The first section is we need to select the printer. Here we need to get the exact communication between the printer and the laptop. So just press select. Select the model name. These all models we can fix with this software. So we select the right one, and here we assign the port also. Then just press particular adjustment. Go to maintenance and waste ink pad counter. Check this both and check. Here you can get some value. We need to clear that one. So again check both one and press initialize. Press OK. In this point we need to off the printer. Once you off the printer, just press OK here. Now we can on the printer again. Click OK. Now you can on the printer and you can see the issue is solved already. You can double check by opening the cartridge area and the ink pouring area, and you can confirm there is not coming the error again. We open both the lids and there is no any problems there. So let's go for a test print. Close all this one. Then go to control panel and give print properties, print test page. Here you can see simply it's printing the paper, the test paper. So guys, here's the one. We fixed the issue with a simple software and simple steps. So once you face this issue, all of you can do yourself. And thanks for watching this video. I hope all you enjoyed with this video. Thanks for watching, and please do like, share and subscribe for our channel.